Would you like to improve your soil, put a little more iron into your soil, let it be a little more mineral rich? Here's something I did. Now I'm in front of my goji berry, and I'm not saying goji berries improve your soil or put iron into your soil, but what I did under this goji berry I think will help. I had a bucket full of old iron nails, just from projects that I'd done, things that I've torn down. And I don't want to throw nails on the ground. I don't want to run over them. I don't want flat tires. I don't want anybody else to. So I collect them and I put them in that bucket. So I had about a third of a 5-gallon bucket just full of old iron nails. I had a sinkhole right here where this goji berry goes in the ground. I don't know where it came from. I don't know if it was an animal that dug a hole there. I don't know if something was there, an old root, and it just finally gave in. But for whatever reason, I had a pretty good hole there. I don't know, maybe 2 foot is a 2 foot deep hole. It's pretty deep. And so what I did is I took those old nails and I just poured them into that hole. I just put them in there. I put some good topsoil on the top of that, some compost, and then I planted this goji berry right on top. And so what's going to happen is that iron is going to continue to rust. It's going to continue to break down. That iron is going to go into my soil, and this is going to be a super rich iron area in my yard. Now, I did the goji berry there because I know goji berries are tough. Some plants may suffer, or some plants may be harmed with too much iron, but old goji berry, it's hard to kill. And if you had one, and if you've ever tried to contain it, you know. And so here's what I'm doing here. I'll also, after I did that, I decided that I would take pieces of iron that I would normally just take to the scrapyard or put somewhere, and I'll let it just rust until I decided what to do with it. I started filling 5-gallon buckets up with these pieces of scrap iron, and I fill them up with water. I let them rust, and I get that water real murky with that rust, and then I just use it for iron and pour it around the plants that need it. And so this is the way that I'm adding iron to my soil, improving my soil, putting some minerals back into that soil. So try it out, see what you think. Again, you put too much, you could kill your plant. I get it, but goji berries, man, you can't kill a goji berry. And in years from now, that'll be a great spot to plant something different.